The Department of National Defense of the Philippine government has issued a notice of award to BrahMos Aerospace, notifying that the proposal of the company has been accepted for the acquisition of the shore-based BrahMos anti-ship missiles system for the Philippine Navy, and the contract for the first BrahMos export deal worth $375 million will be signed next week. Philippines intends to purchase 2 batteries of BrahMos missiles, while military analysts have predicted that Philippines will require 5 BrahMos batteries to protect its entire coastline. Vietnam is set to be the next BrahMos export customer, as talks between the two countries have progressed, while other nations who have sought more details about the missile and export possibility include Thailand, Singapore, Indonesia, and Malaysia. Also in discussions are countries from the Middle East, South America and Eastern Europe, that includes Argentina, Chile, Brazil and Bulgaria. The Indian Navy's 6 next-generation destroyers under Project 18 will be a clean sheet design, for which concept studies had started in mid-2021. They will have a displacement of 13,000 tons, and will cost a total of 50,000 crore rupees. It will be powered by an integrated power system that will generate the required power for directed energy laser systems and new sensors. It will feature an universal vertical launch system that will accommodate the BrahMos 2 hypersonic missile, naval variant of the XR-SAM long-range air defense system, 1,500 km range long-range land attack cruise missile. The construction of the first destroyer will start from 2026, and induction in 2031. Russia's first newly built Tu-160M strategic bomber has conducted its first flight, and during the 30-minute sortie, the test pilots took the aircraft to an altitude of 600 meters and performed maneuvers to check the stability and controllability. The new Tu-160M is seen as a potential candidate to carry hypersonic missiles. Given the fact that Chinese bombers can reach most of the Indian cities, airports and defense facilities, Indian defense experts have already pointed to reconsider the strategy to have a strategic bomber like the Tu-160M, which now has 80% of its systems and equipment modernized than the older Tu-160. Even as the Indian Army is set to unveil a new combat uniform on Army Day tomorrow, employees working with the Ordnance Factory Board, which was dissolved into 7 corporations by the Modi government, have blamed the central government for giving preference to the private sector over the public entities to design and manufacture the new uniform. A delegation of the employees have also met the defense minister and have urged him to intervene in the matter, saying that once the ordnance factories are liquidated, these private sector firms will start dictating terms to the army. US President Joe Biden's nominee for coordinator for sanctions policy has told US lawmakers that the US has made it clear to India that it is discouraging it from proceeding with its acquisition of S-400 missile defense systems from Russia, but the US will have to weigh important geostrategic considerations while taking a decision on growing calls for a presidential CAATSA waiver to India. Indian naval warships undertook a maritime partnership exercise with Japanese Navy ships in the Bay of Bengal, and the exercise included a wide range of flying operations, replenishment approaches and tactical maneuvers that reflected precision coordination and high level of interoperability and preparedness of the two navies. 3 ships of the Russian Navy have also arrived on a 2-day goodwill visit to Kochi that includes Vayag missile cruiser, Admiral Trebaj destroyer, and Boris Potomac tanker, and various professional interactions are planned between the Russian Navy and Indian Navy.
Omar dropped it.